Guys, welcome back to the Trading Truth YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a trade that I am taking and trading on gold. So I'm using VMaster Trade, this one here. So it has hit my TP. I had two trade there. Oh yeah, 839. This one got out. For this one, I'm actually so yeah. This one has a lot of really great feature. I can just put break even and trail it with 100 pips. Okay, I can actually modify a couple of TP. So that's my TP1. Oh yeah, it's just got hit. I I was dragging that there anyway. So let's look for another trade. By the way, this trade got suggested by the Trading Truth Indicator. You know, as you can see, we got like a lot of trades here. Um, this was LPS that was giving, right? And market is just like trending up. Okay, so my TP has got hit. There is gonna be like influence of higher time frame. I think it's 1 hour. This is Bitcoin. Let me choose gold. Gold is going crazy, man. There's another 15 minutes left. Uh, for the 1 hour candle to close. It is definitely going here. That was my prediction, by the way. Oh man, I'm thinking of like missing out. Anyway, we made good profit today. $2,727. Okay. Just by applying simple principle. You can see like I'm not doing anything new. You can see it just gave me trade. I took a couple of trades here, exited with profit there. You know, we can see all the trades here. See, this was that started up trending. I got in there, profit there. You know, market was doing this, so I actually like entered and I entered again there, right? Then it went up. So I think TP3 for 5 minutes got hit. So let's see the higher time frame. Okay, for higher time frame also all three targets were hit. So I think market is most likely to come down now. Because TP3 has got hit. Okay, you can see that in 15 minutes it's actually um, it travels past TP2. So we're good. You know, um, yeah. Let's look at higher time frame. What they are doing in 3 day time frames going down. You know, yeah. The overall trend is down, but uh, to be honest, TP2 has got hit here. You know, so there is gonna be some sort of pullback for gold. Little bit is fine, which we can see in higher time. You see how market like came down a lot from there. Should have shorted there. I think there's if we go lower time frame, we can find a couple of trades. This one. I'll add gold. So this I applied on 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, these are a couple of trades here. And one thing you should be noticing here is the wave volume that I got there, right? That actually shows a couple of like if D1 wave volume is greater than D2 wave volume, down wave, and if D1 is less than this one and market goes lower, that means there's like bullish divergence. Here we have bearish divergence on this one because with low volume we actually made new high. That's why market came down. Okay, so we do have a bearish divergence there. Let's see if we build some like new structure descending. Market is trending up really good. You know, so we were already in markup phase from here. All three of the targets got hit here as well on 1 minute time frame. We got signal over there, uh, perhaps around here as well. There. This is 15 second. So you can see we can apply same principle across all different time frames. Yeah. So here market got stopped. It was good thing that we actually got out. So yeah, this was the total profit for the day. Like I'm gonna be applying concepts that I taught in this course. So if you go to my channel, uh, you will see this one links here. This is the Udemy course. You can also join Discord, by the way. Uh, I have like more than 20 hours of trading tutorials on applying all these principles, Wyckoff methodology in the market. Okay, it's like this is, I think, one of the best course out there in Wyckoff. So you can join this community. Okay, and that's if you want like free courses, there is this one series on that one. Okay, you can see how I'm applying the concepts over there. Okay, so market is coming down. We will see some sort of distribution because TP3 has got hit there. You see, from TP3 it's coming down. So accumulation is sort of complete. You know, if we want to see like a higher time frame, we can see on 4 hour what's happening is that it was making spring. Okay, so how far and spring can go, like it's it can go till this far, 4, 3, 6, 7, only when it crosses this one. But as we know, like it's very hard to cross that one, so we'll see what happens. Okay, here on this trend line it was going up, so when this trend line is gonna get hit, we will see some reaction to the downside, which is exactly at this mean line that's coming down from there. You see, right? And higher time frame is actually like doing some accumulation there. Okay, I mean, man, like if we actually gain this level, this is Bitcoin, but hang on, let me put gold. So if we actually gain this level, suppose uh, gold goes above this level, this is like huge event in Wyckoff. It's like the spring. All right, so that will give us like good move to the upside. Okay, so we'll see what happens. It is near the support level, by the way. Okay, there is, so there was divergence there. Market comes down, volume, there is less volume than that. Again, there's divergence, market comes down. If he puts divergence when it's coming down, like it gives me bullish divergence, then I'm gonna take long trade. Bullish divergence is shown by green color on the downside. This, you see, this is line, okay? It's not green. See, this one, this was bullish divergence, you see, right there. Bullish divergence, market goes up. Bearish divergence, you see, like here, and that's not bearish. Bearish divergence is shown by this red line, right? Yeah. After that, market comes down, and the orange color is more effort, less result, basically. Uh, I'm gonna uh, release this indicator later on, by the way, so don't worry. You know, uh, you can actually also get access to the free indicator if you want through my profile in TradingView. So here, this indicator is free. This is, yeah. If you want access to this one, either you can buy the course, get access from there, which I would recommend doing that. It's kind of like a guideline for the whole how to use this indicator, basically understanding the market principle. Okay, and then yeah, you will get 6 month access, so let's go. Okay. Yeah, it is gonna retrace down, but I'm waiting for like some sort of you know opportunity like this again. If I want to take short trade, like in 3 minutes, you see like big effort. You see the volume. If you don't see, like at the bottom, I have volume, right? Volume has increased a lot on the upside. You see, that means like buying wave has been like entering in the market. Okay. Yeah. So if I plan my next trade, I mean, like I can put a backing up action trade here, right? That's on like 3 minutes. 5 minutes is around this level. This trade was particularly interesting because if you see, um, let's actually come to the 5 minutes, okay, and like 3 minutes as well. Uh, we can either look at either chart, by the way. Let's look at 3 minutes first. So this is 3 minutes accumulation chart, okay. uh, See, we had like accumulation here. Market was accumulating, but still it was making lower high, lower lows. You can see that with this descending purple line, okay, with this red line as well. As the market overcome to green, which is again it's shifting the direction. You see a couple of like backing up action happening there, and it was happening right at the midpoint, right at this like trend line. You see the trend line which was coming from there, and let me show you one trick. If you come here, disable this, you will see the wave volume candle applied. So you see like this was sign of strength. Market goes up, pulls back on low volume. I mean, like this volume was little bigger than that, but still market can't go up. you know there was this like yeah, more effort, less result. That's shown by this um blue color. You see, like there's 184 units of wave volume downside. Okay, they tried to pull the market down a lot, but they couldn't. So that was the exhaustion pattern. Long boom, TP1 got hit, right? or market was already in markup phase. TP2 got hit and then TP3 got hit. Then on the pullback, we got another that one, there was more effort on the downside for the market to take down. You see, 242, 116. This is more than that, but market couldn't go down. It goes up, then it just gives us more trade there. Okay, so that was the trade logic there. Okay, you can see a couple of trades there. You might be wondering for the short trade, but short trade was still active, but this was happening on accumulation, not on distribution. uh, Here you can argue that it was happening near this, but you also notice that after this happened, you know the midpoint was uptrending. This is how you actually classify between if this is an accumulation or distribution, or reaccumulation or redistribution. Okay, so you can see, you see here, as the market goes up, right, you just track this midpoint. Let me, yeah, you see how this, it's tracking the highest high, lowest low from this point start. So as it was going down, then it versus change of character happened. You see, this was a change of character, right? Then when this happened, the pullback, it gives us test of the spring. Then again goes up, pulls back, gives us backing up action on low volume, and then it just keeps going. While that was happening, this was uptrending now, right? So this was your change of character, and then it goes up. So now it's just like, again tries to go up. So let's look at the lower time frame, what we can see there. Oh man, we missed it. Just came around here, gave me bullish divergence. I was explaining that. Anyway, so now like how to use it. You can see this was your bullish divergence market, how the market reacted there. So it's coming down, gave me good effort, good result. Yeah, market still couldn't go up though. I might short it, but like, yeah, I don't want to do that. I need a distribution structure to see, like, need the market to show me a distribution pattern, then only I'll take the trade. Otherwise, I won't. This is on 15 second. This is on 30 second. This is on 1 minute. So in 1 minute, if it gives me a distribution pattern forming around here, you know, um, I'll see if this is really a distribution or not. If it's distribution, then we will see this like midpoint descending after the new structure gets formed. Okay, so let's see if we get new structure start, which I don't know if like will wait or not, but let's see. Let's actually dissect this trade. I'm gonna come to 3 minutes. Okay, these were the trades that I took. Let's go to 1 minute. You can see this was the first trade that I took short side. Then when it reverses, you know, I quickly reverse the order. This was the long trade, first long trade. This was the second long trade, profit. So I had like couple of scaling out there. Okay, then this one, then the last two, which I had taken like long profit with both of them. So now it's actually making a distribution pattern. You know, let's see when this wave closes, what it makes. Pause. Because there's like the down waves are increasing in size, than up waves. That's the tail, couple of telltale sign for distribution pattern as well. Okay. By the way, if you want to learn more about this, you can actually look at the latest episode, which in which I
See around here,
talk in detail how
testing those.
this up, you know, how after uptrend distribution gets formed, and like how the institutions, players, how they are actually distributing in that position.
Is active.
Okay.
And
So I go in much more detail in how with this indicator, how to figure it out. Okay. So let's see. Well, the wave closes to the upside. Up down we got complete. Nah, still not. Boom. Goes up there from this support. New 1 hour candle got formed. If we break this, then it's going much higher. We'll see. 8 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour. There is very strong resistance over there. Market might have a bit hard time to go above that. You see, on 5 minutes, TP1, TP2, almost TP3 also got hit. Okay, this might just like give us one, two, third wave. TP3 got hit, fourth wave downside, and then fifth wave again upside. All right, I think, yeah, I'll leave it there. And whenever I get alert like this about any of them, then I might take it. But I think for today, this is all. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this, live application of the concept. Um, okay, and please let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.